Hey everyone. When it comes to getting a tough job done, you need a vehicle that's reliable, efficient, and built to work as hard as you do. Today, we're taking a look at a machine that promises to be the new workhorse for a new era, the 2025 Yamaha UMX AC. This is more than just a utility vehicle, it's a strategic business asset. And here's why it's the smart choice for all-day work. First, let's talk about the build. Yamaha has a reputation for durability, and the UMX AC is a prime example. It's built on a rugged, automotive-style chassis with a tough, thermoplastic body. This isn't just about looks, it's designed to withstand the daily grind of commercial use, from golf courses and resorts to farms and industrial sites. And check out this aluminum cargo bed, it's incredibly durable and features a convenient one-touch tailgate for easy loading and unloading. With a cargo capacity of over 800 pounds, 363 kilograms. You can haul everything you need, from landscaping equipment to maintenance supplies. Now, let's get to the real game changer, the electric powertrain. At the heart of this vehicle is a punchy 5.0 kilowatts AC electric motor. This isn't just about zero emissions, it's about what Yamaha calls quiet and clean technology. The UMX AC operates almost silently, which is an enormous advantage in noise-sensitive environments like resorts, hospitals, or residential communities. You can get to work early in the morning without disturbing anyone, and you can communicate with your team without shouting over a loud engine. It's a huge step forward for productivity and a better work environment. A work vehicle has to be comfortable, and Yamaha has delivered. The UMX AC features a well-engineered suspension system with a strut suspension on the front and a monolinkage in the rear. Combine that with the wide 20-inch tires, and you get a smooth, stable ride that absorbs bumps and provides traction on a variety of surfaces, from paved paths to non-extreme off-road terrain. It's designed to make long workdays feel less fatiguing, so you can focus on the job. The interior is all about practical comfort. The two individual seats are ergonomically designed with padded armrests, providing support for both the driver and a passenger. The controls are simple and intuitive, making it easy for any member of a team to operate. And you've got plenty of storage. Besides the large rear bed, there's a generous 29-liter front storage box with a one-touch opening, perfect for keeping tools and personal items secure and protected from the elements. From a business perspective, the Yamaha UMX AC is a smart investment. The electric powertrain means extremely low maintenance. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no fuel filters to worry about. This translates directly to lower running costs and less downtime. Simply plug it in at the end of the day, and it's ready to go the next morning. With its rugged build, you can expect a long, productive service life, providing a strong return on your investment. So, in a world that's increasingly focused on efficiency and sustainability, the 2025 Yamaha UMX AC stands out. It's a vehicle that embodies Yamaha's commitment to quality and innovation, offering a powerful, quiet, and durable solution for a wide range of all-day tasks. If you're looking for a workhorse that's built for the future, the UMX AC is an option you absolutely need to consider. What do you think of the Yamaha UMX AC? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the job site.